Welcome to another episode of What's Trending, and I go by the name Scapa Official. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, better do so and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime we upload a video. And today's Who is Trending, our very own Michael Osuado, Sarkodie Obede Pombede is trending. And the reason why Sarkodie is trending is not in a bad mood or in a different matter. It's a good news for Ghana, my motherland. You know, Jay-Z is about to drop his upcoming dub album titled The Ascension. Jay-Z is popularly known for releasing classics, and guess what? He has been top of the rap game for over 2 decades. The Ascension album happens to be an African themed album. The album is expected to focus on Africa. From the track list, you can tell for a fact that Jay-Z decided to bring all the strong rappers across on his album. The album features the likes of Sarkodie, our very own Olamide, Femi Kuti, just to mention a few. Jay-Z unveiled the tracklist for his latest studio project, The Ascension, and this sends fans into a frenzy. From the details on the tracklist cover, it looks like the veteran rapper decided to call upon the current front linemen in rap scene in Africa. The album features African stars like Olamide, Sarkodie, Femi Kuti, and Nasty C. Other featured acts on the album are Beyonce, Rick Ross, H.E.R., and the duo of Lighthouse Family. Jay-Z, in a statement released via Roc Nation, said, "I've always wanted to get in touch with my roots and connect to the motherland." He's talking about Ghana though. You know, Africa is blessed with so much talent, and I felt like it was time to tap into the resource. That's what Jay-Z said. The Ascension is not just talking of focusing on Africa, but it's also about me giving back to my people, familiarizing with the culture and connecting more with the motherland. So that's what Jay-Z said. I know it's a good news. You know, once Beyonce came to Ghana, Shatta Wale got featured on his album. Now Obede Pombede, our very own Michael Osuado, has also got featured on Jay-Z's upcoming album. Hey, you know, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you better do so and click on the notification bell. I go by the name Scapa Official.